Little storyteller.
Inspector Gumdrop, a big red gummy bear with a magnifying glass, sat at his desk. His office at the Gummy Bears Detective Agency was a colorful room filled with candy canes and licorice ropes. Oh dear, he mumbled, his squishy cheeks wobbling. The recipe for the ultimate gummy bear is gone. His two helpers, Ginny the green gummy bear and Barry the blue gummy bear, rushed in. Ginny, who was very speedy, zoomed around the room. Barry, who was very thoughtful, tapped his chin with his gummy paw. "Who could have done it, Inspector?" asked Ginny. Her voice bouncy. Barry added, "Perhaps it was Sticky Sam, the candy detective from across town. He always wanted our special recipe." Inspector Gumdrop puffed out his chest. "We must find it. The annual candy carnival is tomorrow, and everyone loves the ultimate gummy bear." They decided to visit Professor Sweetstein, a very smart gingerbread cookie who lived in a giant cookie jar house. His house smelled wonderfully of ginger and cinnamon. Professor Sweetstein, with his round glasses and sugary smile, listened carefully. He said, stroking his icing mustache. "A missing recipe? That's a tough one." He thought hard, then pointed to a small trail of rainbow sprinkles leading out his back door. "Follow the sprinkles. They might lead you to the thief." Ginny, Barry, and Inspector Gumdrop followed the colorful sprinkle path. It went through a field of lollipop flowers and past a bubbling chocolate river. Finally, it led them to a small, cozy candy cottage. Inside, they saw Sticky Sam looking very worried. "Oh, Inspector Gumdrop," cried Sticky Sam, "I didn't steal your recipe. I was trying to bake a surprise cake for the candy carnival, but I lost my own recipe and accidentally picked up yours." I was too embarrassed to say anything. He held out the missing recipe, his candy hands shaking a little. Inspector Gumdrop smiled kindly. "Oh, Sticky Sam, it's all right. Accidents happen." Ginny giggled and Barry nodded understandingly. "Maybe we can all help you bake your surprise cake," suggested Ginny. "That's a wonderful idea," said Barry. And so, Inspector Gumdrop, Ginny, Barry, and even Sticky Sam worked together. They mixed and stirred and laughed until a delicious cake was ready. At the candy carnival, everyone enjoyed the ultimate gummy bears and Sticky Sam's yummy surprise cake. Inspector Gumdrop smiled. Working together and being honest are the sweetest ingredients of all.
Please subscribe. Thank you.